Imagine shrinking down smaller than a grain of sand and entering the human bloodstream. Right now, we're about to travel through one of the most powerful transportation systems on Earth, the human circulatory system. We'll move through the chambers of the heart, pass through the major blood vessels, travel through the lungs, and deliver oxygen to the entire body. Get ready for an incredible journey inside the human body. We begin our journey inside a large vein called the superior vena cava. This vessel carries deoxygenated blood from the upper body back to the heart. Another large vein called the inferior vena cava brings blood from the lower body. The blood around us is dark red because it contains low oxygen and high carbon dioxide. We are now entering the first chamber of the heart. This is the right atrium, the upper right chamber of the heart. The walls here are thinner because the atrium mainly receives blood rather than pumping it long distances. As the heart beats, blood moves through the first valve. This is a tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve prevents blood from flowing backwards. Now we enter the right ventricle. The right ventricle is much more muscular. Its job is to pump deoxygenated blood to the lungs. As pressure builds, another valve opens. This is a pulmonary valve. We are now pushed into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery is unique because it carries deoxygenated blood away from the heart. We're heading towards the lungs. As we enter, tiny capillaries sound the alveoli. Gas exchange now begins. Carbon dioxide leaves the blood and oxygen enters the red blood cell. The blood is now oxygenated, bright red, full of oxygen, and ready to power the body. We now travel through the pulmonary veins. These veins are special because they carry oxygenated blood back to the heart. We enter the left atrium, the upper left chamber. The left side of the heart handles oxygen-rich blood. As the heart contracts, blood passes through another important valve. This is a mitral valve, also known as a bicuspid valve. It keeps blood flowing in one direction. We now enter the strongest chamber of the heart. This is the left ventricle. It has the thickest muscular walls in the entire heart. That's because it must pump blood throughout the entire body. Pressure rapidly increases and the final valve opens. This is the aortic valve. And now we're launched into the largest artery in the body, the aorta. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under high pressure. As arteries become smaller, they branch into tiny vessels called capillaries. These capillaries are only one cell thick. This is where the real exchange happens. Oxygen leaves the blood and enters the body cells. Nutrients and water are delivered. Waste product and carbon dioxide enter the bloodstream. And the circulatory system transports oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, water, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Without this constant movement, cells could not survive. After delivering oxygen, the blood now becomes deoxygenated again. We enter the veins, which carry blood back towards the heart. Unlike arteries, veins contain valves that stop blood from flowing backwards. Millions of veins merge together into a larger vessel. And once again, we return to the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The entire journey begins all over again. The human circulatory system is called a double circulatory system because it travels in two separate loops. The first loop is a pulmonary circulation. This pathway carries blood from the heart to the lungs and back. The second loop is a systemic circulation. This carries oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body and returns deoxygenated blood back to the heart. These two loops work continuously every second of your life. Your circulatory system is one of the most complex and powerful systems in the human body. The heart, the blood vessels, valves, and blood all work together perfectly to keep you alive. Every heartbeat powers an incredible journey happening inside you right now. If you enjoy traveling through the human circulatory system, subscribe for more journeys inside the human body.